These are two cheap LED desk lights I picked up at Home Depot, and done a retrofit on this one. Some Cree wide angle LEDs. And this one still has the original cheap Chinese ones. I'll show you the difference. Puts out a decent amount of light. Paid $9 for them. Not too impressive. So I got some Crees from another YouTube user. Changed them out, and it's a huge difference. It's the same type, 4.8mm wide angle, but you can see the light output between the two is vastly different. Crees have a wider, better color bin. So I've got a couple of these. I'll retrofit all those. Makes them a lot more usable. You really see the difference here. Keep tuned for more. Thanks for watching.